Welcome once again to our channel. If you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, like this video and share with friends. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to fill the online application DV Lottery 2025 form. If you've not watched my previous video on the requirements for the DV Lottery 2025, kindly go through my videos and watch it to learn more about the requirements. The website for application is dvprogram.state.gov. After you enter the site, this page will come, the Electronic Diversity Visa Program. We have the instructions link there. We have photo examples, and then we have the Begin Entry tab where you can use to start your application. Before you start the application, make sure you have all the necessary documents, especially the picture, ready so that you complete everything at a go. You will not have the option to save and come back later. So if you are filling it, make sure you have everything intact to complete it at a go. You now click the Begin Entry. After you click the Begin Entry icon, this page will load and you have to type in the characters that you see on the screen. After that, then you click the Submit button. So you enter the characters as seen. If you make any mistake, you have to enter a new one. So this is the details that you will be required to enter. The first one, the part 1, your last name, your family name, your first name. If you don't have first name, take the no first name. Middle name, if you don't have, you take no middle name. Then you select your gender or sex, male or female. You enter your date of birth, month, day, year. Enter the city in which you were born, not the district, the city. If you don't know, you click the birth city unknown. Then you select the country in which you were born. If you want to claim eligibility from any other country, click no here. Then select the second country that you are using to apply. Now you have to attach your picture. And as already discussed, if you have not watched that video, go back to that link and then watch the video. Then you select your picture. Then you upload the mailing address in case the box is not for you. Your address line, you input it. Your city, your district or town, you input all those things, zip code. Then you select the country again, the country where you live now. Then your phone number. You enter your email address and then you confirm your email address again. You have to select the highest level of education you've achieved. You select primary school only if you have up to JHS, high school no degree if you've not completed SHS, high school degree if you've completed SHS. Then vocational school if you've attended a vocational school. Some university courses if you are still in the university. University degree if you've completed university. Some graduate level courses if you are doing your masters, you've not completed. Master's degree if you've completed master's degree. Some doctorate level courses if you've not completed your doctorate degree. Then doctorate degree if you have completed your doctorate degree. So take note of the highest level of education, then select appropriately. The next option to fill is your marital status. If you are married, you take. If you are not married, you take. You have divorced, widowed, legally separated. So you select the option that corresponds to your state. Then the number of children you enter. Then you click on continue. If you've not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, click the like button and share this video with friends. After I click submit, I got this notice that one data validation error. So I went through and I saw that my picture size was too high. So I have to edit my picture again to reduce the size. Then I uploaded it again. After I modified my picture size, it went through. If you click the continue, it will bring you to a new page where you can review all the information that you've provided. If you have a wife or a husband, that is your spouse or children, you not see this submit button, but rather you see continue button. That will take you to the next page to include the details of the number of people you've added. So if you included your spouse, you fill the form for your spouse. If you have children, you still have that option to add the number of children that you included in your first part, that is the part 1. After you finish adding all the number required, the submit button will appear. Then you click on the submit button. After submission, you receive this confirmation page where you have to keep the confirmation number. This is the number that you'll be using to check whether you've been selected or not on May 4th, 2024. If you are using a computer, you can click Ctrl+P to print the page. If you are using a phone, you can screenshot it and send it to your email or save it to your Google Drive, or if you are using Hotmail, you can save it on your OneDrive. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. Wishing you all the best of luck. Goodbye.